This tutorial guides you through coordinating maintenance and repair projects using rentt. Now type out your project or request title. Now briefly explain what your request is about. Now select the necessary service you need. Now select the skill sets you will be needing. Now select an appropriate budget that fits your needs. Now you have the option to invite a specific service provider and add them to the rentt platform. Here, you have the option to choose from our community of qualified service providers. Now publish your request. Then confirm that your project has been created.